Okay guys, we're at Hooton Park, IndyKart round 4. We've had an absolute disaster in practice. Our kart was cutting out, going slow. The mixture screw had come out. We put one of them in thinking the problem was fixed, but it isn't. Jake's too fuming to do this, so I thought I'll do it. Then we went out for qualifying and we had another issue where the carb was cutting out. We rebuilt the carb on Friday night, we put something back in wrong way round. We've now fixed that. So yeah, let's see how we go. Feeling better?
A little bit.
What do you think we can do from where we are then?
Not a clue.
We're going to go for it though, yeah? Going to make this video a good one.
We're going to have to, yeah.
Right, I'll have to cheer my driver up here now and yeah, keep watching. Let's see how we get on. Heat 1.
Hello and welcome to Anders Landad Go-Karting. Like I said, we're down here at Hooton Park for round 4 of the IndyKart Championship. Yeah, we've had massive issues, so we've had no practice, no qualifying, just about to go off for Heat 1. I'm not going to talk over the video, I'm just going to let you watch it. Just to reiterate that we are looking for a sponsor. There's many opportunities available. You can either, you know, from as little as £50 a month going up to whatever you want. We can advertise you on our social media, YouTube with this channel that's building. Anyway, we're just at the start of this race now, so I'm going to let you sit back and enjoy. But if you are interested in sponsoring us, just get in touch with the channel and we'll see what we can do for you. Enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get to 1k subs as quick as we can. Good start to the race here. Dying to commentate it, but I'm going to leave this one alone. Jake's not here to do it, so yeah, sit back, enjoy, and please don't forget to like and comment.
Shit drivers! He's so unaware. Fucking idiot.
Heat 2.
We've got that. I was going straight, trying to go for my apex, it just turns in.
That's one of them, innit? Racing, mate.
Ah well. He came off worse, so I don't care.
Final. ARS weekend here next week. Have a good race, mate. Have some bad luck you have today. You know.
It happened, but...
Make this. I think this bar's bent.
I'll get that straight. I'll take that. Good race.
Thank you.